in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram bio to athletes. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Instagram on your device. Make sure that your account is signed in into the Instagram application on your device. Once you're signed in to your account, go ahead and head over to your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile, you'll be able to find this hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that hamburger icon, and that will take you to the settings and activity section. Now in here, go ahead and scroll down and look for account type and tools. So go ahead and click on account type and tools, which you'll find under the for professionals section, and that will take you into a new page where you'll be able to find this option to switch your personal account to professional account. Click on that and click on continue in this area. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to get professional tools. You'll be able to learn about your followers by switching to a professional account. You'll be able to reach more people since you can create ads on Instagram to help reach more people, and you can get new contact options and keep updated with the latest updates of Instagram. So in this section, go ahead and search for athlete using the search bar. You'll be able to find that specific category in this section. So just go ahead and search for athlete. Now in here, go ahead and click on that athlete category and enable display on profile. Now click on the done button to proceed with the next step of setting up your professional account on Instagram. Now on the next step, what you'll need to do is to select between these two options. You need to set this section into what type of professional account are you aiming to create, such as a creator account or a business account. In this section, you can enable or disable promotional emails that you can receive on your Instagram account. So just go ahead and enable or disable that, and you can simply click on the X button at the top left corner of your screen, and once you reload your Instagram profile, you'll be able to find that athlete under your name.